An extraordinary three-dimensional garden that you can hang and enjoy from every angle. Let me show you how I did it. The first step is to cut the coconut mat to fit the birdcage. To position the coconut mat, you want to start it in the back corner and wrap it around and overlap it so that you have a really nice seal so that the soil won't come out. And the same thing with the square at the bottom. It's a little bit bigger than the bottom of the cage, and that way there'll be some overlap so that the soil won't leak out. Now for the plants, I'm using curly spiders and creeping fig. Now the next step is to consider where I'm going to plant my spiders, and I'm going to use this little position right here because they'll be supported by the wire frame and there's enough room to make the hole that their roots will fit into. So what I want to do is fill soil up to this level and then start inserting the spiders. Now the soil I'm using is a potting mix, and I've added a little bit of peat moss to lighten it up, and it has some perlite in it so that the drainage works really well with the coconut mat. And so the next step is to use a little skewer to make a hole. Working with the roots of a plant is a tedious process sometimes. You want to be extraordinarily gentle. You don't want to break them if you don't have to. And so I'm just very gently easing these roots in. And I want it snugly up against the coconut mat as if that were the surface of the soil. With a decorative bird cage, some coconut mat, some potting mix, and 2 varieties of plants, you can make your own extraordinary 3D garden to hang in your landscape. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've learned something new. I hope you make one of these for your own yard. Give us a like and subscribe and share with a friend. And I'll see you next time on The Handcrafted Garden.